What do you know about what's coming that impacts me today, or the conversation that's happening? I think I've worked really hard for the last 20 days. I think it would be a courtesy to at least let me know what's coming at me.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to some counselors today, as I try to before every meeting, and see what their plans are, and if I get any sense of what's going on, I'll try to give you a heads up.
Would you support a vote of non-confidence in me?
Haven't decided that
yet. Okay, thanks.
All right, well, listen.
In your witness statement, you say that when you requested to see the plan, you would receive wiggle words. Can you explain what you mean by that?
Well, I think just what I've been describing here this morning, that we'd see parts of a plan, we'd hear little bits about, there's going to be some form of an operation, but, I recall at one point Chief Sloly telling me that he couldn't share the details because, obviously the element of surprise is important in these operations. I guess that was my issue. They were more vague in that Chief Sloly, and I can't exactly remember the timeline, you probably have it there, but Chief Sloly had made a comment that there may not be a policing solution. I can't recall what day he said that.
I believe it's the second, but
the second.
I'm sure we'll have that somewhere.
Okay. He had made that comment, and it sort of sent a ripple through the city and the downtown core and a lot of observers of what was happening there, because it wasn't entirely understood, but it was alarming that the chief of police is saying there may not be a policing solution to this situation. And I guess what I took it to mean is that there wasn't a policing solution locally with OPS. I mean, OPS it's a city police service. It does community policing and emergency response and a lot of other things. And certainly it involves itself in large-scale events because we're the national capital and we have over time. But we hadn't seen something like this before. It was clearly different, had a different flavor. The whole thing was not like anything anyone had seen in the city before. And I think it had become clear to Chief Sloly that we did not have the resources inside Ottawa Police, nor did we have the expertise in terms of, setting out a real plan on how you're going to get this tiger by the tail inside police. We just hadn't had much experience with this. And so that's what I took from what Chief Sloly is that we're going to need a lot of help. And that's what I took him to mean from that.